Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we are given this figure and we're told that BD is parallel to AE. So BD and AE are parallel. And what that means is that we have some corresponding angles. So we have this line segment and this line segment are both parallel and they're intersecting this line segment. So the angles they form are going to be equal. Similar thing here with this line segment AC. Their two parallel lines are intersecting it so that when they both intersect, they have the same angle. So we can say that triangle CDB is equal to is similar to triangle CEA. Why can we say that? Well, all of their angles are equal, right? They both share angle C, and then angle D is equal to angle E, and angle B is equal to angle A. And therefore, they are similar. And you really only need two pairs of angles, but that's not the point. We know that all three of their angles are the same. And what does that mean? That means their sides are proportional. So the first thing we want to do is we want to find CE. Okay, and we can just do that first we have to find CD, right? CD is a hypotenuse of a right triangle, since we found that angle B right here is 90 degrees, again, because it's corresponding with A, with the parallel lines and all that. So we can use the Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared, where A and B are the two legs of the right triangle, which are 8, so we have 8 squared plus 6 squared is equal to c squared. 8 squared is 64 plus 6 squared is 36 is equal to c squared. 64 plus 36 is 100 is equal to c squared. Taking the square root of both sides, square root of 100 is 10, and the square root of c squared is c. So CD is equal to 10. How do we use that to find CE? Why did we just find this? We didn't find the whole thing. Well, we know that the little triangle is similar to the big triangle. That's what we just found, right? This triangle is similar to this triangle. So we know that this is 6 and this is 18, right? Where this is just the big triangle, it looks like that, and this is the little triangle. So this triangle is 3 times as big, right? 18 over 6 is 3. The corresponding side of the bigger triangle is 3 times the littler one. So we found this is 10, therefore we know the hypotenuse of the big one, right? So the hypotenuse of the small one is 10, therefore we know the hypotenuse of the big one is 3 times 10. So CE is equal to 3 times 10 is equal to 30. Again, we found this by noticing that we have similar triangles, therefore their sides are proportional. So what is the length of CE? 30 is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.